Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing something very special. This is a Montecristo shorts, and this is a limited edition release that was made for 2025, which is the Chinese Year of the Snake. They have made this one in the release, and they've also made a Cohiba one as well. The Cohiba has 88 shorts, and this one has 66 shorts. I purchased this from Switzerland, which is the only place I've found that they make these, that they sell these. Let's open this up. This is an incredible work of art, as you guys will see. So taking out the cardboard box, you have the velvet sleeve that bears the Montecristo logo and the 66 shorts. Let's take this out. And there it is. Now this is a varnished, beautiful yellow box with a big snake on it, and it says the 66 shorts over here and here as well. It still has the plastic. And this is a really nice piece for display, and can definitely be used once the cigarellos inside are smoked. Let's open this up and show you the contents. And there you have it. Now, as you can see, this was a limited release that was made in 13,480 wooden humidors, and every humidor over here has the number of release. This is number 3,883. Actually quite nice, 3883. A plaque over here. On the hinges it says the Montecristo. And this is actually this box is a humidor on its own. So if you fill up this thing over here with some distilled water, you'll be able to keep the cigarellos fresh. And these are the cigarellos that come in. They are very small, but they're Cuban tobacco, and I'm sure these are going to be a great smoke. Since they are quite relatively new, I will keep them for a little bit to age. But these are very nice, and I think that these are very nice things to give out as a gift if you have someone to gift the cigars to. This is something that could be a really nice way of saying thank you to someone, and these will become increasingly collectible in the next couple of years, especially in the Asian markets as they celebrate the years of the snake. I know that previously there was a release of the Year of the Rabbit, which was also, they had the Cohiba, had the Siglo de Oro, which was the cigar, and they also had the two shorts as well. They had a Montecristo, Trinidad, sorry, and they had a Cohiba. And for this year, for 2025, they have the Year of the Snake, and this is only from Montecristo and Cohiba. I'm still working on getting the Cohiba one, and hopefully once I get it, and I'll be able to unbox it and show it to you guys. But this has definitely not been easy to come by and to bring back from Switzerland. But I'm very happy that I managed to do that and to bring it to you guys and show it to you exactly on this channel. I've never seen this box reviewed anywhere else on the internet in such detail. So I hope this is going to be useful for anyone who watches. And stay tuned, as we're going to have a lot more boxes and interesting things that we are going to be unboxing on this channel. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.